Katsuzo Nishi spine exercises. If you have many illnesses, treat the spine. Claimed the well-known healer and classic of natural health, Katsuzo Nishi. There's a grain of truth in these words. In modern conditions, every person experiences significant strain on the body, including the spine. First, a person sits at a desk at work, then rides home on public transport or in a car, and in the evening sits on a sofa or armchair in front of the TV. All this leads to the development of various spinal disorders. If cracking in the back used to be considered a problem of older people, today even young individuals may experience such symptoms. Almost 80% of the population suffers from back pain, sciatica, and similar conditions. To avoid diseases caused by a sedentary lifestyle, it is necessary to listen to the advice of Katsuzo Nishi, who conducted many practical experiments and helped heal even the most complex spinal disorders. Goldfish exercise. Thanks to this technique, it is possible in a short time to restore the spine, as well as improve gastrointestinal function and blood circulation. Initially, this exercise helps return the vertebrae to their correct positions. This relieves pressure on blood vessels and nerves. Then blood circulation normalizes and gastrointestinal motility is restored. These exercises should be performed twice a day, and relaxation should follow immediately after practice. This helps eliminate illness and fatigue. If necessary, this technique can be combined with other types of Easter gymnastics. Professional athletes use it as a warm-up in gyms. After such a warm-up, the risk of injury during training is reduced, and it becomes possible to work with heavy equipment. It should be noted that there are practically no contraindications to using this technique. The main precaution is to be attentive and sensitive to your body while performing all movements. If a person has severe spinal curvature, it is recommended to consult a specialist before performing the exercises. A firm surface is required for the exercise. This may be a hard sofa or the floor. Clothing should not be tight, so that body movements can be properly controlled. Preparation. Lie down on a flat, firm surface. Place your arms behind your head and stretch your body. Press your hips and heels to the floor and pull your toes toward you. In this way, the spine is stretched for 6 seconds. Next, stretch alternately to each side as if wriggling. At the same time, stretch the heel of one leg forward while extending the arms in the opposite direction, holding this position for up to 7 seconds. The same movement should be performed alternately, changing legs and stretching the heels of the left and right sides. Exercise technique. Assume the starting position and lie on a firm surface. The body should be pressed against the floor, then begin oscillating movements that resemble vibration. As a result, the body should wriggle from side to side like a fish. All movements should be performed only sideways, not up or down. At first, perform the exercise for 1 minute, gradually increasing the duration to 3 minutes. At first, the exercise may seem difficult to perform. If difficulties arise, ask someone close to you for help. They can support the body in the necessary areas. Now you know the principle of performing the goldfish technique.